Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to do a review on BuzzAgentAI. BuzzAgentAI is an AI-powered platform built to streamline your digital marketing efforts. It builds custom AI social agents that learns your brand voice, create posts and videos at scale, and auto-scale them across all the platforms. Basically, it packs voice cloning, talk head avatars, AI images, auto subtitles, landing pages, and full affiliate marketing course. It helps you to generate more traffic to your website or landing page, generate more leads, and generate more sales.
Now, what this does is it has several agents trained in different style to create content, or you can train your own AI agents to create content for your own business style. The way we used to create social media content previously by putting a prompt on ChatGPT simply doesn't work in 2025 because these content are automatically detected by the social media platforms. Now, if you really want to make your social media content perform well, you need to create the post and videos for your social media on your own business style. Now, the point of using the Buzz Agent AI is to know about your business style using the AI agent technology and create a massive amount of social media content. So, this is not like a static chatbots or AI that you give a prompt and they generate some content for you. This is more like a 24/7 employee that gets to know about your business, creates the social media profile, and creates the content for it.
Going ahead, I will give you a detailed walkthrough of the Buzz Agent AI so you can understand the working of the software better.
To get started, what you want to do is create a new campaign here, or we can edit a previous one that we're working on. So say, for example, this campaign here. And then we can click on it to edit it in more detail. Now we can add different clients and organize them by the social integrations they'll be publishing to, for example, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And then we can go ahead and begin assigning AI agents to this particular campaign. So what we can do is go up here to create a new AI agent, and we can create one from scratch, or we can create one from done for you templates. So here, for example, I've made a David Goggins clone agent, which I created from scratch, and it has a base prompt telling it to act like David Goggins in this style. Uploaded a picture and a name. And then I would go ahead and then train this agent on different posts or documents or PDFs around David Goggins' style, so that it produces content about his particular business, what his mind would know in his style. Or if we don't want to create your own AI agent, we can go ahead and select from done for you agents we've created. So we have agents such as Jen Flex here, who is going to write your content in a sort of bold, empowering, action-taking type style. And again, this is important because just prompting ChatGPT is going to give like the same sort of post that everyone's going to get, right? So here we're going to be writing posts and creating them in a style that's like motivating and highly energetic. So this is great for if you're doing like a bodybuilding affiliate campaign, or your business is like you're like a fitness influencer. So we would go ahead and select the campaign and select the client, and then use this AI agent. Of course, we can go ahead and customize the main prompt. And then we can go ahead and train the agent on web pages. You can upload files like PDFs, or you can even just type manually. So if we wanted to know, like, our business address is 111 Cash Road. And then when it's creating content, it could say something like, hey, remember to visit us, visit our gym at 111 Cash Road. So again, instead of just generic content, now it's understanding what our business is all about. All right, so now we have our agent trained and created. Now it's time to create some content. So we can go up here to campaigns, content campaigns, and create a new campaign. Now what we can do is we can create just a text post for something like Reddit or an article, a post with an AI image for like Facebook and Instagram, a video post for YouTube or a reel. Or if we've already have like a post created that we just want to upload and schedule, like, Buffer or Hootsuite, then we can just select manual post. So for this example, let's go ahead and pick a post with an AI image. We're going to select our campaign, our client, and then we're going to give the content or the campaign a name. We'll select an agent. And then we'll do something like body building tips. We'll create some posts around that. Now we have this thing called variations technology. So instead of just creating one post, we can create a massive amount of posts all at once. So if we pick, for example, 2 or 3 variations, what it will do is it will create 3 different tips about 3 different posts about bodybuilding tips that are all different with different images, with different captions for us to schedule all at once. Now you want to do that because, these experts like Gary Vaynerchuk, they're saying, hey, you need to post at least 10 times per day if you want to really build your social account, because that's what the top people are doing. So you need to make mass amounts of content, but have it be, unique and actually engage people. And we could choose a dimension. So maybe like a vertical Instagram post. So we can choose from like Facebook, Instagram, all the major social networks. And then we can choose to schedule it right away with AI schedule, where AI will be posting for us, manually schedule it at a time we want it to go out. Note that if we pick, for example, weekly, then every week at this particular date, Wednesday around 4, it's going to post one of our variations until it runs out. Or we can go ahead and just schedule it later. So let's go ahead and hit next. All right, then it's going to begin building our campaign. And note this takes about a minute or so. So I sped it up, and now we have our posts created here, our variations. And then what we can do is we can go and push this to what's called a content stream. I'm going to talk about that in a second. We can go ahead and just schedule it once. And then we can also customize it further if we want in the editor here. So it's going to go ahead and load our image. So first what we can do is we can edit the title and the actual post description it created. So here's our helpful post. Now if we want to regenerate this, we can do it by keyword, or we can actually create a full prompt and prompt the AI. Now this is also available in the whenever we go to create a campaign as well. So if you don't really understand prompting in detail, then you just type a keyword like bodybuilding tips. It's going to generate a new bodybuilding tips caption. If you know exactly how to prompt for a certain response that you want, like I want to talk about, this shoulder technique that I've trained the agent on, and it needs to be in this style, this many words, then we can use full prompt to get a more, customized result. Then we can go ahead and, if we don't like the AI image here, we can go ahead and change this out to describe a new AI image and generate that. And again, you can prompt it more in detail for a certain result, or just upload your own image if you want. And then you can customize the actual post. It doesn't have to just be a static image. We can add like CTAs, headlines, emojis, to get it however we want. All right, then we can go ahead and hit save to save our post. Now the same thing is going to work with videos as well. So let's go to create a video campaign here, and I'm just going to go ahead and edit a previous one to save time. But it's going to work the exact same way, where again we can choose our agent that will be the one writing the post, Uh, so it's going to be in this particular style. We can describe the content with one keyword here, or go to the full prompt if we want for a more detailed result. Choose how long we want the video to be approximately, the number of variations, then hit next. And then what we'll do is it will give us some video ideas here, so we can get the script exactly how we want. If you want to add your own custom idea, we just go up here to choose custom idea. This will be the metadata. So obviously if it's posting to YouTube, it needs to have a description, a title, etc. So this is the metadata and tags that will be used. And then it's going to actually generate our video script for us. And here's our script. If we don't, we can edit it however we want. By adding spaces, it's going to break it up into different slides. And again, if you don't like it, we can use the keyword or full prompt to try to regenerate this and get it better. Now, if we want to create an AI image video, we have some styles here. We can choose that are we'll try to get our images all the same and congruent to make sort of a congruent, faceless video that's going to have images that sort of a pan in and out. It's going to generate a thumbnail for us as well. In this case, it's a reel, so this is the real image. And then we can add realistic voiceovers. So we have these very ultra realistic voiceovers here that are already included in the app. If you want, you can connect 11 labs and clone your voice. So now you're actually, your AI agent is not only writing content in your voice, but it's speaking exactly like you would speak with the 11 labs cloning feature. And then upon adding that, we can choose to make an AI image video or just a stock-based video with stock clips. And we'll go ahead and do that. Now I've already created this in the style of like just stock video. And we're just going to go ahead to view. And it will load up the editor here. And now to change, so what it will do is it will split the script into different slides here. So the narrator will talk during this particular slide right here and show this image of the guy doing the exercise. And then to go to a different section, we can either click on the clip down here or click in here to change it. And then to actually customize the video, we go over here. Note that if you click this, it will switch between the script and the background. So we can choose to add our own background. If we don't like the AI image it generated, we can choose a new AI image. We can choose a new video clip. From the background here. Then we can actually add images on top of this by searching for images here, searching for video clips again, or even, again, generating an AI image. And then the text that will be displayed is right here. Now note that this isn't a subtitle. This is just sort of a text describing this particular scene. And very easy just to sort of point and click to change it around. Change around the background here. You can change the actual text color itself. And then if you don't like the voiceover, we can regenerate another voiceover. Although it already has our realistic voiceover created from the step previous to it. We can add a face narration. So there'll be a narrated AI speaker that talks. You can actually upload your picture and it will speak in your voice if you want, narrating this clip. If you don't like this, we can just turn it off. You can add background jingle music or upload your own voiceover or background. Here's some effects that we can do to the video. Transitions between each clip or AI video. We can add credits and subtitles. So if we wanted to add a subtitle, we can pick this style, and then right here, whenever the video generates, it will generate the subtitles for us. And you can actually go ahead and preview the video to make sure the subtitles are right. And then a number of other features to customize it exactly how we want. And then you just simply hit render here or preview it first. And now we have a great AI reel that's really going to engage in our brand style. All right, so now we have some content. Now let's go ahead and schedule that. Now we have a way to perpetually post the content at specific smart times in a feature called content streams. Now a content stream is a collection of a specific type of content. For example, we just go over here to stream, press this button, and we can create a content stream of, for example, Instagram post content. Just click on it to view it. We can upload videos, images, posts. Here we have some Instagram content ready to go. And then we can schedule this particular stream on the scheduling calendar here. This is where we see all our posts going out. By clicking the button, choosing the stream, and then selecting the time. Now you want to do this because instead of scheduling every single individual post, you can choose to have your collection, a collection of posts go out at a specific time every Friday, for example. So I have no integrations in it, but basically what it will do is it will show a schedule where you can choose to have every Friday, our Instagram content is going to go out at 11 a.m. So here we can see a stream that I've actually scheduled. So every day at 2:25 p.m. every week, I should say, a content stream of Instagram quotes is going to go out to my Instagram page. So you can choose to have this go out every day. You can choose to have it go out just once a month. You can choose to have it go out every week. So what we can do here is we'll have our AI agents, build out these different streams where, every hour they're posting some sort of original content, unique content over and over again. So again, the top social experts like Gary Vaynerchuk, they say you should repost the same content, multiple times because, different people are on Instagram or Facebook at different times. So the constant stream technology allows us to post what's in that collection over and over again and recycle the content without us having to go over every single day and reschedule every individual post. Okay. All right. So there's a lot more features too. We also have this thing called viral post and videos where we can type in a keyword and it will find viral or very engaging Instagram videos and Instagram posts that relate to a certain keyword. And what we can do is we can use these we can repost these. You can actually download this and repost it on your own account. We can draw inspiration from it to create our own content. You can even repurpose it using an editor here. So if you go to image editor, we do give you one template that's very popular right now. The X template. You might have seen Alex Hormozy and many people using this template on their Instagram and Facebook to get a lot of engagement, where essentially, you want to go ahead and edit this as, your name and your handle. You want to go ahead and upload your image and it will actually let you crop it. And then we can go ahead and add the post that we want to repurpose. So say, for example, we found this viral Instagram or yoga pose thing that's going viral. Now, instead of just reposting it as ourselves and not getting as much traction because we're essentially just reposting something else that someone else created, we can repurpose it under our own brand here, where it has like our name, handle, and then maybe some text that says something like, hey, check out this really great post I found. And now it's repurposed under our brand instead of, the other person getting all the credit for the post. So we can actually repurpose images, and you can repurpose videos as well too. So to repurpose the video, we can go down here to this template, And if we find a great viral video, um, we can upload the video here, delete this. This is just a placeholder one. Delete this video, upload the new video, and then render this reel as a way to repurpose the content. All right, so there's a lot more to this, but hopefully that's enough to start getting you started and understanding what the app does. We'll have more detailed tutorials on different specific parts, but hopefully this is good enough to help get you started.
Okay, so I hope you have seen the demo of the Buzz Agent AI. Now, if you have decided to use the application or test out the application, you can get my affiliate link on the description. And if you are buying from my affiliate link, then as a bonus, I am going to give you this course reel application worth $67 just for free. Okay, so yeah, when you will buy the AI Buzz Agent after buying it from the Zevizu platform, as a bonus, you will see that on the dashboard. Thank you and subscribe to the channel for watching such review videos